Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. Let's unbox the animal toys and learn their names. Are you ready, kids? Let's start.
With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
The first animal is a rooster. This is a
Old
rooster.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he
A
had a
leopard.
pig,
This is a leopard.
with a here and a
The next
there,
point
here a
is
there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
the next animal is
Old MacDonald had a farm,
the next point is a lion. This is a lion. A lion is the king of forest.